Welcome to our world of timeless elegance and vintage allure. Transform any space into a vibrant homage to the glamorous past with our pin-up girl wall art collection. Inspired by the iconic aesthetics of the mid-20th century, each piece captures the essence of vintage beauty and allure. Meticulously crafted illustrations of classic pin-up girls adorn our artworks, making them perfect for fans of vintage fashion, collectors of retro memorabilia, or anyone looking to infuse their space with nostalgia. Printed on high-quality materials, our artworks add a captivating focal point to any room. Hang them in your living space, bedroom, or entertainment area to evoke the spirit of a bygone era while adding a contemporary twist to your decor. Let your walls tell a story of style, sophistication, and everlasting allure with retro chic, pin-up girl wall art.